Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix such type of error code on Windows 11 and Windows 10 0 into 0, 0 into 0. And if you are also facing such type of error code, then here are the various workaround. Right click on start button and choose restart. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve various major or minor issues of your Windows system. So you must restart your system first. And the second workaround is if your problem is still, then right click on start button and choose settings. From the left side, go to Windows Update, and from the right side, click on Check for Updates. And if you find any operating system update available, simply download and install it in your system. Thereafter, scroll down and choose Advanced Options. Here, scroll down and you will find Optional Updates. Click on it. And if you find any optional update available, simply download and install it in your system. Sometimes outdated OS or driver may be a cause of various type of error appeared on your system. And check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Scan your system. Again, right click on start button and choose settings. Here from the left side, go to privacy and security. From the right side, choose Windows security, and here choose virus and threat protection. Click on it. A new window will open. Here click on scan options and you will find four options. Here choose full scan, and finally click on scan now and let the window complete the scanning process. It will scan your system for any malware attack, and after that restart your system and check whether your system error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, go to Windows settings, right click on the start button and choose settings. Here from the left side, go to Windows Update. From the right side, scroll down and go to Update History. Here, scroll down and at the bottom of this page, you will find the option Uninstall Updates. Sometimes it happens that if you installed any Windows latest update and problem occurs, so uninstall Windows latest update. Look for the update which you have recently installed in your system. Simply click on the option uninstall against that particular update. Follow on screen instruction to complete the updating process, uninstalling process. The next one is go to Windows search and type CMD and open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode. We will run DISM tool and system file checker SFC scan now command. Command from Windows will now open. Here execute first three DISM tool as shown on screen. DISM online scan health, DISM online check health, and DISM online restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time in command prompt Windows. And once successfully execution of DISM tool, execute the command SFC scan now. It will scan your system. SFC/scan now. It will scan your system for any corrupted files and repair them accordingly. After that, don't forget to restart your system and check whether your error 0 into 0 into 0 resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on start button, choose run and type RSTRUI. It will open system restore window. System restore window will open. Restore system files and settings. Click on next. And here select a restore point. Restore your computer to the state it was in before the selected event. Click on event and choose next. And finally confirm your restoration point. Click on finish. And follow on screen instruction to complete the restoration of your Windows system. After that, your problem will definitely be resolved. That's all.